Does this look like a cat you know? How about her? For more than 14 years, Moshe Solomanow has been cutting open cats' backs, supposedly to identify risk factors leading to lower back problems among humans. Recently, a whistleblower contacted PETA about an experiment at the University of Colorado that involved cutting open cats' backs down to their spinal cords and attaching an S-hook to one of their spinal ligaments. A machine then applies pressure, as though the cats were carrying heavy loads on their backs. The whistleblower was concerned that the cats were still conscious and able to feel pain because of improper and inadequate use of chlorelose, a drug about which veterinarian Dr. Ned Buki-Mucha states, "Chlorelose is archaic and absolutely contraindicated for use, particularly where animals will be subjected to surgery which would be expected to cause moderate or severe pain. There could be no medical justification for using it."
So what do you guys do with your cats?
This cat is still responsive to sound, light, and touch, and you can see that her paws are still shaking as she is being handled. She vomits into the garbage can. This cat will endure an invasive back surgery, and then Solomanow will repeatedly load weight onto the device attached to her spinal column. The experiment will last for more than 8 hours, the end of which she will be killed. These are just 2 of the hundreds of cats injured and killed in Solomonow's experiments. As neurosurgeon Dr. Marius Maxwell states, it makes no sense to use cats in studies designed to learn about human back issues. Solomonow's experiments are redundant and the applicability to humans is non-existent. Imagine if this were your cat. The cats who are destined to be tortured and killed in these experiments need your help.